वेलकम टू कैंपस केयर। इस वीडियो में हम लोग डेमोस्ट्रेट करेंगे टू प्रिंट अ पीवीसी आईडी कार्ड ऑन प्लेन वाइट कार्ड्स। And using a full panel diafilm ribbon cartridge. CardPresso is basically a design and print with internal database connectivity software that comes with Evolus Primacy PVC card printer. इस सॉफ्टवेयर की हेल्प से आप अपना कार्ड जो है डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं, उसमें इंटरनल डाटाबेस स्टोर कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो प्रिंट फ्रॉम द सेम एप्लीकेशन। तो I have already created one design. I will just open. जैसे ही एप्लीकेशन ओपन होती है आप देख सकते हैं दिस इज़ द टूल बार ओवर हेयर। आईडी कार्ड्स को बेसिकली हम लोग दो पार्ट्स में डिज़ाइन करते हैं। वन इज़ द स्टैटिक और अ थीम टेम्पलेट पार्ट लाइक दिस इज़ द बैकग्राउंड फॉर माई डिज़ाइन that will be constant and static for each design. Next part is the dynamic part that will consist the all text and image data like this. With the help of tools available here, you can create the text and image objects in your design. With internal database connectivity, you can see I have many records saved under the same design. This is the table view of all the records. This is basically the front side of my card. This is basically the back side of my card. Now I will show you how we can enter the record in the design. Click on the plus option, put the name under the field, image from your local system, click on this option, save record. Now you will see in the table view the new record is entered successfully. As if I move to card front, this is now my last record as accordingly. This way you can enter the new record inside your same design. Second, how we can change the theme template of your design. Right click, edit background, remove, took the image object, choose card background, right click, set as background. So this way you can change your theme template design also. To print your card, we can do the bulk printing. Select the particular record that you want to print, or select all if you want to print the all list, or we can select the specify record as accordingly as per our printing need. So in this example, I will choose the first and the last to show you the bulk and dual side printing demo. This is the first card and this is the last card. So I have selected to print the first one and the last one. I will go to the print document option. Choose Evolus Primacy from the printer list. From the selection part, selected record in browse view, that means the particular two records that you have selected will be printed by the printer. We will choose to print front and back also. Finally, click on the print card. So this is the first card, this is the last card. You can also print duplex colored also, like I just have printed the black on the back. You can print the both side color also. Thank you so much.